Hello and welcome back. Today let's just try out to make this simple exercise inside Fusion 360. So let's start it. First we will make the base. This dimension is 60, this is 72, and the height is 12. Sketch, choose a plane, draw a rectangle. This is 72, press tab, and this is 60. Press enter. Finish the sketch, and this one is 12. Okay, home this. Next we will add this vertical flange. For that we have the dimension 60, the thickness is 12, and we will add this radius to extrude it up to top. So height will become 90. Choose this face, sketch on it, draw a corner rectangle. This is 12, and say OK. Finish, extrusion, select this region and say 90. Now I will add the rounds of radius 30. Click on fillet, this edge and this edge. Define the radius 30 and press OK. Next I will add this extrusion. I will add two circles of diameter 20 and 30. Choose this face, sketch on it, and I will add two circles. Of diameter 20 and another of diameter 30. Enter. Finish the sketch, and I will extrude. Select this region. The extrusion is 25 and say OK. Next I will add this rib of thickness 8. For that I will create a mid plane. Construct mid plane. Choose this side and this side. Say OK. Choose this plane, sketch on it, and I will add a rib from this to the base. Draw a line from here till here, and I will finish the sketch. Home this, click on create, click on rib. The profile is this one and the thickness is 8. Define the thickness 8 and you have done. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Appearance, metal, aluminum, and drop this cutter. See? So you have done. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to this channel.